I'm Colin Keegan, Product Marketing Manager at Veeam Software. And joining me today is Ezra Charm, VP of Marketing at N2WS, a Veeam company.
Thanks so much, Colin.
One thing I wanted to ask you about is scalability, right? 'Cause we hear about web scale, and how does N2WS scale in terms of protection?
We scale down from a very small environment all the way up to very large environments. And aside from using kind of the AWS paradigm or AWS methods for backup and storage, we also kind of follow their business sense in that we allow our customers to purchase exactly what they need when they need it. Our product scales with their environment. Notre Dame, for example, has been a customer since 2014. Where they started with a very small AWS environment, and now they're well past 750 instances. They never had to redeploy our product. It scaled with them all the way through.
That's great. I mean, clearly we're seeing lots of organizations trying to improve efficiencies and reduce costs, and we're even seeing this move from CapEx on-prem to go into more of an OpEx model where you can either rent or lease those workloads in the cloud. And obviously AWS is a great place for that. And it looks like N2WS is providing the capability as far as a protection is concerned and being able to recover and give them that level of confidence.
Absolutely, and our product is a simple monthly subscription through the AWS Marketplace. Follows that same CapEx model. You can use us, you can scale with us. If you decide that you're moving off AWS or you're shrinking your environment, we'll shrink with you. If you're growing your environment, we'll grow with you.
So Ezra, thanks again for being here today.
Thanks so much for having me.
I'm Colin Keegan, Product Marketing Manager at Veeam Software. Thanks for joining us.